See, surprisingly, though not shockingly, suddenly the matter of touts has come and is being raised by ruling party MLA. Now about this tout, I have been shouting from the rooftops that the touts have finished the Kalamut Baga area. And the responsible is the tourism political thug. I have said it so many times. Now, the Kalamut MLA, Bob Michael Lobo, makes a statement that he's fed up with the touts and that he would not hesitate to sit outside the DGP's office in protest. This is what you see. Now, this statement, as I have said, it is not shocking but surprising. Why I say surprising? Just before making this statement, the same MLA, Michael Lobo, makes a statement, categorical statement, that no ministers are working. And only the chief minister is working. Now what is he trying to do? Is he trying to butter the chief minister because there is a likelihood of reshuffle of the cabinet, thinking he will get a chance? No. He is not getting a chance. The possibilities of his wife getting a chance, because there is a rumor that they are trying to have a lady also as a cabinet minister, which they are lacking. They talk of Nari Shakti and finishing the Nari totally. But let's get further. Now, when you are saying that no minister is working, is this the so-called discipline that has come in, especially after the new president has taken over, Bab Damu Naik, and he is silently watching this? Or what is exactly the chief minister playing in between? The political thug is well known to be in control of the touts, which I have said it earlier. And this Michael Lobo has been the creator of touts. I will not hesitate to say that. It may have been in small numbers. Now what has happened? The political thug is claiming, as per the reports among the touts, that he is the boss. And Michael Lobo says, I am the MLA of that constituency. I should get my cut. So this all, nobody is bothered about touts. Otherwise this would have not grown like mushrooms to such an extent. If they had any concern about it, let us not fool the people, and people of Goa are not getting fooled. I know it, but I am just bringing it and trying to stress and play my role, whatever I can, to awaken the people. Do not trust both these fellows. They are just shouting tout, tout, tout to see that their pockets are filled. Not bothered about the ruination, and I don't understand why the stakeholders who are going to be the greatest losers in this are silent. Why they don't go and ask the chief minister to put a stop to all this nonsense? The time will come when Goa will be left without any tourist. I hope the chief minister who is watching this game, see, the chief minister did not have to play a balancing act. The numbers are tremendously on his favor. The center is theirs. So none of these fellows have got any guts to do anything. Why is the chief minister quiet? When you have such a majority, you can't put in discipline, you will never able to put in discipline. I hope the chief minister takes this seriously and puts this into order. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe.